Mary, I'm going to McDonald's. Do you want something?
Yes, can you get me a cheeseburger and a medium Coke?
Sure. Do you want fries with that?
Yes, please. A small fries.
Okay, I'm getting a Big Mac and a coffee. That's $12 for you.
Oh no, I only have a 20. Do you have change?
I don't have change right now. Pay me later. It's okay.
Are you sure? Thank you, John.
No problem. Do you want ketchup or anything?
Just ketchup, please, and extra napkins.
Got it. I'll be back in 10 minutes.
Perfect. Can you also ask for no onions on my burger?
No onions. Done. Anything else?
That's everything. You're the best, John.
I know. See you soon.